This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the voice profile and the toolchain. This shapes the how and why of every later step. Record or collect 30 to 60 minutes of studio quality audio, labeled and aligned with transcripts, because models learn from consistency. Once done, pick a model, a lightweight open source system for control or a managed cloud API for faster results. Make sure to check licensing. Now prepare a project folder with audio, transcripts, and config files so training can begin immediately. You preprocess data next. Normalize levels, trim silence, clean noise, and ensure each transcript matches its audio precisely. This reduces errors during training. Start training with a conservative learning rate schedule and a held-out validation set so you can detect overfitting early. Once base training converges, fine-tune prosody controls and speaker embeddings to shape timbre and cadence. If naturalness lacks, augment with pitch and speed variations. Make sure to iterate quickly and evaluate short samples after each adjustment. You now export the trained model into a runtime format and apply optimizations like pruning or quantization to reduce latency and memory use. Deploy to your target environment and run end-to-end tests using plain text, SSML tags, and edge case phrases so you know how it behaves in real use. If you hear glitches or robotic artifacts, first revisit alignment and data quality, then lower the learning rate or add more diverse samples. This troubleshooting step often fixes the majority of synthesis problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.